Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing your Facebook page profile picture. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Step 2. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and scroll down to select Pages. Step 3. Switch to the specific page you wish to update by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo at the top. Step 4. Tap on your page's profile picture at the top right, and then click on the camera icon. Step 5. Select Choose Profile Picture to proceed with updating your profile image. Step 6. Add a photo by choosing to either take a new photo or upload one from your phone's gallery. Step 7. Once you have selected your desired profile picture, tap Save at the top right to apply the changes to your page. By following these simple steps, you can personalize your Facebook page with a new profile picture that represents your brand or identity effectively. Enhance the visual appeal of your page and make a memorable impression on visitors with a professional and engaging profile picture. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to change your Facebook page profile picture. Update your profile picture to keep your page fresh and engaging, and showcase your brand identity effectively to your audience.